Hey, we're going to do a brand new item, Amazon laptop bag. We're going to grab our photos here, put them in the analyzer, click Analyze Now, put in our dimensions and weight here. Okay, and then you can pick your personal shipping policy and your personal store category. Okay, the analyzer's done. Everything populated in here. We got to buy it now. You can adjust the price if you want. I'm going to go ahead and stick with that. Condition new, everything's in there. It goes into the correct category and also the category leaf of the tree. And we're going to go ahead and post. It's that simple. Saves you a lot of time. I love it. Alright, so then now we're going to go ahead and go to eBay. This is normal. It takes about 3-4 minutes for your photos to populate. Now you don't have to sit here and wait for this. You can just keep doing postings if you want, or do whatever you'd like. You can just go posting after posting after posting. A couple minutes, the photos populate, and you're all done. I'm going to pause the screen. We'll come back and take a look at this. Okay, and we're back. We'll go ahead and do a refresh here. And there you go. Your items for sale. Great photos, great description. We'll go ahead and move our photos around a little bit. Take the main bag photo, pop it over there. Let's take a look here. Got a nice colorized HTML body. It's that easy. Save time, make more money.